Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to set alerts and notifications on eBay. Open eBay application on your device and then enter my eBay section that is located at the bottom side of the screen. Then scroll down till the account section, and here you see settings. And here again in the account section you see here notifications, and here you can customize the types of notifications you would like to receive, so that includes order updates, shopping updates, recommendations and rewards, selling, and general notifications. So choose the notification you would like to receive, go for it, and enable notification by moving the slider to the right, or if you want to disable it, move the slider to the left like this. And here will be even more detailed notifications. So that's basically how you can set alerts and notifications on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.